veg is cooking, and we're going to get the pie out of the oven. Veg is all cooking, and thank you for watching. So we got veg is cooking as well. Veg is cooking. That's veg. Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to put down my mask on. So I'm going to do a traditional mashed potato. So this is potato, boiled potatoes, and we got milk here, and we've got butter here. So I'm going to do mashed potato. So those are the two things I will use in doing the mashed potato. So I'm going to add a bit of margarine to it, not too much, in the saucepan, and a bit of milk into it. So this is how we do mashed potato, and then we do that is how it is. It's just very easy things to do. So we are cooking steak pie and chicken pie. So the chicken pie and steak pie is in the oven. So I'm just doing mashed potato for it. So, and we got veg as well. So this is how it is. Mashed potato, we add a bit of milk. So that is how it is. It's all done. So we're going to put that one away, and then we use so it's all done. Look at it. So it's mashed potato all done. So then thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and bye. So the pie is out of the oven and the temperature is prompt. So that is steak and kidney pie, and that is chicken pie. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cooking, and bye. Everybody, dinner is now ready, and look at it, yummy chicken pie and steak pie and mashed potato. Look at it. Right.